Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to use the GCMS to analyse for accelerants. When you come into the lab, you need to be wearing your lab coat fully done up and have your safety glasses on and over your eyes. All of the lab scripts contain COSH and risk assessment information, and you need to have read this before you start working. You'll be given a range of samples, and these are your forensic samples that you're going to be using to detect to see if they've got any accelerants on them. The first sample that you're going to run is the blank. While your blank is running, you're going to put your first forensic sample into the oven, because we're doing headspace analysis of accelerants that have been vaporised off the sample if they're there. So you're going to go and put it into the oven. While your sample's in the oven, I'm just going to set up the software. It's sequence setup, and then you type in the sample. So I was putting in the shoe. So you type it in with no spaces, then you highlight the line and click on Run Sample, and just press OK and Yes. And now we're waiting for the instrument to show that it's ready. The instrument is ready. You've got the green light to show that it's ready to inject. So I've got the sample from the oven, and I'm going to take the sample out of the bag. I'm going to pick a place on the bag to pierce the bag. And then I'm going to withdraw my sample. And as I'm taking the needle out, I'm going to put a bit of sellotape over the hole. Now, with the 200 microliters, I'm going to inject. Inject, and then press start. And the blue light comes on, and that shows the sample's running. You can watch your chromatogram run in real time. I've got one open. So the top is the chromatogram, and then the bottom is the mass spectrum for each of the peaks. When you've run all of your samples, you will get an overlaid plot like this of all of your exhibits, and you'll compare it against a plot similar to this, which is an overlay of all of the possible accelerants that you're going to have, and you're going to use that for your analysis to see what the accelerant is and which exhibit or exhibits have accelerant on them to try and solve the forensic case. Thanks for watching, and if you've any questions, send me an email.